Hello, welcome back. So for this second module in the Open on Demand course, we're going to be talking about how to do file management. So we're talking about file uploads, downloads, and any size limits. Okay. So if you have watched the video, the 2.3 video on file transfers, that will cover most of everything. But here, there's also a way to upload files on the Open on Demand portal. Okay. So as refresher, we go back to the Files tab and we click on Home Directory. Okay. And here, there's a few buttons that we did not discuss earlier. So open the terminal will obviously pop us up to that terminal that we saw earlier when we hit the cluster button. Refresh will refresh all the files. New file allows us to create a file. New directory. You understand what I'm going with. And then here are the two that we want to talk about now, which is upload and download and then copy move. Okay, so for upload, you can go ahead and upload any document you want, either files or folders. And when you click browse files, it's going to open up your own computer files. Okay, now I'm gonna go back. If you click on download, it's gonna ask you to select the document. Okay, so we have to select some of these documents and you can download them all at one time. It will zip them together if you ask for more than one file. So this is a caveat there, but it will download onto your own personal computer. Okay, now one more thing, there are size limits. So for uploads, the size limit is 10 gigabytes. Okay, so that's the biggest file that you can upload here. But if you're getting close to the threshold, don't be surprised if it does cancel or interrupt your file upload. I would recommend, if you have a bigger file, to check out the 2.3 file transfer of video. And that will cover that covered a bit of how to set up a Globus account and how to use additional transfer methods through the terminal. Okay, now the last one of these file managements is how to copy and move. We do this by using, let me do it quickly with an example. Let me do the country CSV. If I do copy move, it's gonna ask me copy or move the files like that are currently in this directory to where, right? So you can copy and move them wherever you are. So for example, if I move into documents, right? Now I can go copy and it creates a copy right there. See? So now we have a copy inside the documents and then a copy outside in my big directory of the same CSV file. Same with move. You just go into the directory you want, you click on move, and it will move it there. Okay, so these are the main functions of the file tab, and that covers everything. I'll see you on the next one.